can't even believe it's the same place. This is just the next day. The Iron Mountain that caused so much carnage and was soaking wet for days is now in blazing sun. This is Regina. She's been amazing. We stayed in her beautiful guest house, built in the 14th century, and this town is incredible. Anyway, we don't smell as bad now. We've done laundry. She's helped us out with loads of things. So if you're ever in Eisenherz, come here. She'll look after you. A couple of Brits all the way in Austria. We meet more Brits.
I come from near Whitby.
Whiteness in Shetland.
See, it's not me that's just motorcycling mad. There's a few of us, and this is what we come out for, to see views like this and ride roads like this. We're in Switzerland. Nerd. Yeah, dude.
I'm from where? I'm here.
Have you come through gnarly weather?
Oh, so gnarly, you wouldn't believe. It has rained and rained and rained and rained.
Oh man.
I
Well,
emptied my shoes out of water.
get in there. Two becomes three. The Lucky Bastards motorcycle tour continues.
And now the sun's out, we're hitting some beautiful roads, and it's not raining. We're almost in Italy as well.
About halfway up the Stelvio Pass, and this is magnificent. We're close to the top. It just goes on and on. You're loving that? Yes!
Result and a half.
Yes!
Italy, man.
Italy!
Welcome to Italy.
Oh, mamma, Italia! We made it. Have you ever seen anything like this?
There's nothing to complain about.
The SP65, better known as the Futa Pass. Alex has ripped it last year. You excited, man?
I'm overexcited. The sun is shining, we're going to rip through some hillsides in Italy.
What about you, man? Are you excited?
Never ridden it, but I've heard some great things from you two, and you know, we've hit some great roads so far.
Gonna get me a taxi,
just halfway up the Futa Pass. Look at that. It's where we've just come from. And this is what we've got to go through. Is that fun or is that fun? I've never seen you smile so much, Seth. You're actually really happy.
It's all come together.
It's good, eh? You enjoying your BM?
BM's good, man. It's turning into a little motocross bike on these roads.
First Mugello, so we're just packed up and ready to roll. What do you reckon, Seth?
After going to years of different races, BSB and all the like, I'd say this has been my favourite so far.
Fortunately, that's it. Mugello is over for another year. It's been a cracker. We are finally here. I have no idea how. It's chilly, in fact it's freezing. The Super Tenere is super.
Your attention please. Listen carefully to the following.
Right, we have to listen carefully. Anyway, how's your day been?
My day's been pretty good, I reckon. We have done some twisty roads and we have done some lots of motorway miles.
Stay with your